Have you ever used the balloon and skelly barrel to make a speedy balloon? If so, congrats. You just used one of the best combos in Clash Royale. Here are some more. Fisherman plus Little Prince. If the Little Prince is standing still, he gains faster hit speed, and the fisherman pulls troops closer to him, so he continues to stay still. A devastating combo for your opponent, just like Graveyard Freeze. You don't even need a tank. You can just play a graveyard and freeze any troops they try to defend with. The skeletons will build up and even take the entire tower. A very deadly combo, almost like the Lava Hound and the Clone Spell. What's scarier than one Lava Hound? That's right, 2 Lava Hounds. Not only does it clone the Lava Hound, but it also gives you more Lava Pups, giving you a ton of swarm damage on your opponent, Tornado and the Magic Archer. Obviously, the Magic Archer has an insane range, and the Tornado can move troops in front of the tower, giving you massive amounts of damage. So, let me ask you,